morning, everyone. My name is Staff Sergeant Sanders. I'm 441 Engineer Company's Training NCO. I'm going to show you how to install DOD root certificates onto your personal computer. Side note, this is only for Windows computers. So the first thing you want to do is open up your favorite browser and navigate to militarycac.com. Once you go there, this window should pop up and you want to click on how to use your CAC with Windows 10. After you click on that, this page will pop up and then you want to click on install the DOD root certificates. All of these links work. The top one I found works the best. So click on that one and then this window should pop up after you've downloaded it and clicked on it. Click next. Leave everything here the same. Don't change anything. Click next. Verify that both checkboxes are checked and click next. After that, you want to click install. Wait for the process to complete. Be patient. Depending on the speed of your computer, it may take a little bit longer, it may take a little bit less. Once it's complete, this box will show and you want to click install root. Run install root. Verify that each of these boxes are X'd out. This one is green checked, and then you click on install certificates. From here, this warning box should pop up. Click yes. As you see at the side note, this screen may pop up multiple times. Just click yes on each of them. Now once you've completed the process, you can try to navigate to any .mil or military government website and you get this warning screen. You want to click on the follow this guide button that is in the website that you're in so you can complete these steps. If at any time you have any questions, concerns, you need to get some help, feel free to call me on my cell phone. Run it through your platoon sergeant and he will give you my phone number or contact me for you. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you were successful.